Hello everyone. Today let's talk about hiccups. That's hitchkey. It is something uncomfortable feeling. It is reflex in action. You can't control it. Generally, the self-limiting but reoccurring persistent hiccups could actually point and signal towards some serious underlying pathology. Why does it happen? This happens when the muscle separating your chest, your belly, the diaphragm contracts. You swallow in air, your voice box shuts, and the hic sound is produced. If irritated by this, then please ask yourself these questions first. When did the hiccup start? How often do you get it? Does it worsen or relieve by some things? Do you have associated symptoms like ear pain, indigestion, bloating, difficulty breathing, headaches, chest pain, cough, etc.? In this video, we'll talk about mild to moderate hiccups and how to treat them. Most hiccup bouts are less than 1 hour in duration, and you can get them by overeating, soda drinks, or emotional stress, alcohol, or even rapid eating, leading to swallowing of a lot of air inside. Initially, attempt these maneuvers, especially if you have mild hiccups, like breath holding for 5 to 10 seconds can go. Breathe into a paper bag. Valsalva maneuver for 5 to 10 seconds. Pinch your nose, close your mouth, and exhale forcefully like blowing a balloon. Then swallowing a teaspoon of dry granulated sugar can help. Pulling out the tongue. Putting a traction on your tongue can help. Biting a lemon. Sipping or gargling with cold water. Pressing gently and firmly on your eyeballs while you are sitting. Pulling your knees to the chest or leaning forward to compress the chest at least for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then drinking water by a forceful suction, which requires effort actually, followed by swallowing. Rubbing the back of the neck or spraying some coolant sprays there. Massage your muscle. Place your hand on your stomach just below your rib cage and massage your muscle. You can even use a compressed air inhaler for inhaling and exhaling for few minutes. And lastly, you can induce a gag reflex using a spoon to stop hiccup. These are easy to perform, low risk. Until and unless you have a recent surgery, then please don't do it. Now, if your hiccups are persistent or recurrent, please visit your physician. Persistent hiccups are that last for more than 48 hours. There are various causes for this also, which are enlisted in this table. Your doctor will order a battery of tests for you, which are listed to rule out the underlying causes of hiccup. Now, coming over to the treatment part. If these physical maneuvers don't actually work, the first thing to start with is to decrease the reflux of food. That is, no heavy night meals, less spicy, less fat-rich food. Then drugs like omeprazole, rabeprazole, at least for 3 to 4 weeks could be given. If still bothersome, then this is the list of these drugs. Start one of the following, of course under the guidance of your physician. Always start at low doses and then increase it. Still an issue, then the Brahmastra medication, chlorpromazine, actually works. But with this drug, stay hydrated always. Other than the treatment and the drug parts, we have evidence that even hypnotherapy or acupuncture can help. Pressing the center of your palm on both sides for 30 seconds, or pressing your earlobes behind the jawbone above your collarbones can help you out, or between your nose and your upper lips for 20 to 30 seconds. If medications are started, they can be discontinued the day after hiccups actually stop. So please remember, most hiccups are harmless, self-limited, but persistent hiccups actually need careful attention. That's all for hiccups, and for such more useful videos, kindly subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications. Till then, Let's keep inspiring each other and healing each other. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Good day.